Everyone, in this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to liquidate your credit cards into cash using Plastiq. So it's super simple process, so let's jump right in. First things first, you need to sign up for Plastiq, and once you've completed the sign up process and logged in, you will be taken to your dashboard, which will look like this. To start the liquidation process, head over to your wallet, and right here you will find the option to link your accounts. For this tutorial, we'll focus on credit cards. So let's select add credit card now. And now after that, click continue. And now you'll enter your card details such as the card number, expiration date, and CVV code on the back and your billing address. Once that's done, hit continue. And next to liquidate your card, go to the payments section here and you will want to click on the add payment or make a payment. Now let's say you are paying a vendor or a contractor. So choose your vendor, like for example Mike Jones here, and then select your credit card. Plastiq supports cards like Visa, Mastercard, and Discover. After that, click continue, and here you will enter the amount you want to pay. For example, something is wrong right now. Yeah, Plastiq. Where is Plastiq? So the rest of the process are pretty simple right here. Like just click on continue and add the amount you want to pay, and Plastiq will like ask you for reason for the payment. Just add relevant details and hit continue. And once that's done, your payment will be processed, and it's that easy. You've now liquidated your credit card into cash for whatever you need, whether it's paying contractors or business. And that's it. You have learned how to liquidate your credit card into cash using Plastiq. It's simple and a great way to handle your business finances. And that's all there is to it.